like a zipper. I think his little brother or sister is helping him, whether he knows it or not. Number 14. This one that hatched out a minute ago turned this one over, and now he's unzipping it more. He's peeping in there. And this one got turned over too. He's probably gonna break out in a minute. Hello. Say, come out, brother. This one that's out completely was one of the eggs that I marked with a question mark, like I wasn't sure about it, but it was a good one. Nope, there it went. Cracked open. He's already trilling. We'll see some feet in a minute. Come on out. It's your birthday. Must be taking a break. Nope, there he went. You think he's going to be black or white?
Black.
Okay. My phone's gonna say, your video's too large. I don't want to miss it though. I'll just take a bunch out in the middle. That little beak pecking. Let me out. I think he likes blonde or white. He's white, Randy. Little puffball. I can see it.
Yep, I can too.
Yeah.
It's pretty full too.
Yeah, fluffy. Those black Australorps are good mamas though. That always makes me think of that book, Are You My Mother?
Yeah.
Like when you get near them and they look at you like, are you my mother? It's almost 7 minutes.
It's 1 o'clock too, by the way.
Okay. I'm gonna wait it out. He's close. He's really close. He's almost got it cracked all the way around where he can stretch out of it. You're trying to help, ain't you? That's what it looks like anyway. Uh-oh. That other one fell over.
Yeah, that's hard to watch.
I know, watching them struggle.
Yeah.
Looks so cold and hard in there, but it's warm.
It's down to 68 now.
Real, let it go down easy. Yeah. It was up to 77. That's why I put that in there.
That far.
Wow.
Left on the top.
Here he comes. You pushed it apart a little bit. Yep. Stretch.
You got the big piece off of it.
He moved it apart. Yep. Look at that beak coming out. It's like a dinosaur. Pterodactyl. Had to rest.
Yeah.
This took way longer than I thought it was going to.
Yeah.
We should make a narrate for the chickens video. Hi. Where are you from? Nice to meet you. Uh-oh.
Mommy, give me oh, poor thing. Oh, his foot.
Aw.
Is there something wrong with what is that?
What, this?
Yeah.
This is his leg. He's just still wadded up in there. He's okay.
No, I was talking about
This
back
one still
behind.
has the albumin attached to him.
Okay.
He didn't get it all shook off yet. He's still getting the parts off the egg disconnected from him. It looks like an umbilical cord.
Yeah.
You know. Where he was attached to the egg. He had to rest. Here's a little knees.
Yeah.
Or elbows, whatever you want to call
Yeah.
them. His head's been all backwards.
So hard on him.
I know.
You're making it. You're almost there, buddy.
At least it's not as stressful as a human being born.
Yeah.
Tweet, tweet. There you go. Get it on out of there. Hey, I see your eyes. I see an eye. It looks like his head is dark. Light body and a dark head, maybe. Look at that big foot. What are you trying to get, little chicken? What? Look at that contortionist.
Yep.
See, that one's still attached to the
Yeah.
thing. Come on out. You can do it. Well, just resting.
Yep. Enough time.
He's so tired. There you go. Got an egg hat.
Yep.
It feels like they must all kind of do that.
There it's come out.
Here he goes.
Yay.
Yay. Oh, you got messy hair. No, his head's not dark.
Mhm.
It was just a shadow on it. Oh. Bless it. Oh.
Like I said, hard to watch.
Yeah.